Chris, you have been working with financial industry quite a bit. What trends do you see that affect our customers?
So probably the biggest trend since I joined MarkLogic is a shift from a lot of stuff around how to use big data and how to mine information across a business to improve their knowledge of customers perhaps. And it's increasingly shifting towards certain regulatory requirements into specifically one regulatory requirement, which is something called MiFID. And basically what that's all about is ensuring that the banks provide and are able to prove that they've given the best possible prices to their customers when they're trading within capital markets.
I see. So what, in your view, uniquely positions MarkLogic to address customer problems and customer needs that other databases cannot solve and cannot address?
Yeah, well, so that's there's quite a few different reasons, and I could go on about the pretty amazing new technologies that we're delivering, or the new technology we delivered in the last release, definitely. But actually, at the core of it is just what we do. The fact that we are on an enterprise NoSQL database means that we bring a level of maturity to our customers with our products that means that we are transactional, we're robust, we're secure. But in addition to that, we also have a team that now has 14 years experience of doing NoSQL and several years of that, more than 5, because I've been around here for a little while, based around financials specifically. So we now go from customer to customer in the financial services sector, bringing that expertise, and each time we deliver an even better solution.
That sounds wonderful. So we have a new release coming out. What are the most exciting areas for you and for your customers?
Well, so I'm a particular fan of bitemporal. So there are some improvements coming to bitemporal. So bitemporal allows people to gain accuracy when they're reporting about the information that they knew at a given point in time, and able to do that without the normal restrictions of a relational database, where this is very, very difficult to do.
Right.
So the bitemporal features that we delivered in 8 are very, very powerful, but in certain ways they had trouble, if you like. Well, not trouble, but sometimes data arrives out of sequence, and bitemporal doesn't normally deal with that, actually. But we figured out a way to use MarkLogic to answer questions when information is arriving in our database out of sequence. And that is really powerful. So we've got customers using bitemporal in Europe right now, and they can't wait to get their hands on the new versions of bitemporal because it's going to solve even more bitemporal problems.